Welcome back to another King Innovation product video. I'll be your host today, Lee, and I'll be talking about the King DL Advanced Digital Wire and Valve Locating System. The King DL makes it easy to track and locate buried wires and cables and to identify broken wires. Today in this video, I'll be going over what and how to use the product. To start tracing using the King DL, disconnect either the common ground wire from the controller or the wire from the target zone and connect the test leads to the transmitter. And then you'll connect the red test lead to whatever wire you selected. Next, you're going to take the ground stake and insert that into the earth. If you already have existing knowledge of the system, it's helpful to place the ground stake perpendicular to and a few feet away from the wire path. And then you're going to take the black test lead and connect that to the ground stake. Once you have everything set up, you're going to want to turn on the transmitter and select direct clip-on mode. And then you'll either select lo-fi or hi-fi. Lo-fi is typically used for deep or long traces, and hi-fi is used for shallow or short traces. Adjust the power output until OK is displayed. Next, you're going to take the receiver. You're going to turn it on and you're going to set it to clip-on mode so you can start actually tracing the wire. As the operator, you may choose between peak and null mode on the receiver. When in null mode, audio tones over top of the buried wire will be silent and tones to either side will increase in intensity. In peak mode, the opposite will happen. Audio tones will become louder over the top of the buried wire and decrease in intensity as you move the wand away from the wire. Next, use the tones consistent with your selected audible indicator to locate the buried wire. Adjust sensitivity as needed, and continue to follow along the wire path, marking if desired and listening for the change in audio tones. If a broken wire is suspected, follow along the wire path as previously described. You will need to be in null mode in order to locate the cut wire. When you reach the break, the audio signal will increase in intensity and then drop off. As you move along the wire path after the break, no null will be detected. For any technical support or warranty questions, please visit us at kinginnovation.com. Thanks for tuning in for another video. I'll see you guys next time.